In this video, you will learn how to use the bookscanner. First, press the power button to leave standby mode. Then insert your flash drive into the USB port under the keypad. You can now adjust the quality settings. It is recommended to use 200 dpi for PDF files. Now place your book on the bookscanner and open it at the first page you want to scan. If the book is not placed correctly, you can adjust it using the book supports integrated in the device. If the book is placed correctly, you can scan the first double page. You can start this either via the touch display, the keypad, or the foot pedal. This can now be repeated as often as needed. After you've scanned all pages, press Done. Now select USB. All other options are not available on this device. If you'd like to, you can now name your file, then press Continue. Close the window and click on Exit. The scans are now saved on your flash drive, which you can now remove.